There's a reason why Owen Equipment and RC Mowers are trusted among industry professionals. The R-Series remains ahead. The revolutionary R-Series has been purpose-built to not only change the work you do, but how you do it. Accomplish more with simpler, smarter, and intuitive equipment that is guaranteed to maximize your worksite uptime while drastically reducing your labor costs. The R-Series tears through thick brush and extreme landscapes with relative ease, reaching areas that would be considered impossible with traditional equipment. These machines are well known for their ability to crush steep hills and inclines, eliminating vegetation at an angle up to 50 degrees. R-Series mowers have even taken away the need for a winch during slope operations, instead taking advantage of their patented tread propulsion design and low center of gravity, keeping the machine locked in place for the duration of your job, further reinforcing the point that there's no environment out there that has ever proven too tough for the R-Series to handle, making it the perfect piece of equipment for a variety of professions. RC Mowers also provides the distinct advantage of allowing your business to reduce heightened labor costs. These models have been designed with your convenience in mind, drastically decreasing your business's reliance on an already shallow labor pool. With a single RC mower operator, you can cut down the number of crew required, even for small jobs, allowing your team to complete the same amount of work in a fraction of the time and at a fraction of the cost. Although excelling in any environment, hazardous terrain is where the R-Series models truly stand out, having been engineered to help you see an increase in revenue among niche markets. Roadsides, retention ponds, landfills, and rough slopes are merely a few amid many other common applications. Hazardous environments typically cause increased issues for crew members. However, RC Mowers has sought to eliminate this obstacle entirely. Prioritizing operator safety has always been the #1 focus with these models, giving your team the ability to operate these machines from a distance. The upgraded R-Series offers greater control directly in the hands of the user, allowing you to perform operations up to 1,000 feet away, while still maintaining cleaner, superior, first-pass results. There's a reason why Owen Equipment and RC Mowers are trusted among industry professionals. The R-Series remains ahead of the game when it comes to maximizing uptime, operator safety, and reducing your labor costs. Change the landscape of your business today with an R-Series mower. Get in touch with an Owen Equipment expert at one of our 5 locations and schedule a demo or consultation. We take pride in providing nothing but the best equipment on the market, because at Owen Equipment, we're on a first-name basis with success.